Here is the system for controlling the robotic boat, modeled on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 breadboards. This is later to be assembled on a PCB like this. The system works in the following way. There is a switch here which turns on the logic part of the system, and this is the power part of the system. As you can see, it has a big relay and two big buck converters. Also, there is an Arduino Nano here, an ESC, and 24 to 12 volts buck converter, and this converter converts 24 to 5 volts. So once I turn on the switch, I have electricity in the converter and hence electricity in the Arduino Nano. So what happens is this. I have this switch here, which turns on the system by providing electricity to the power source right here. You heard the clicking sound, and this sound comes from the ESC and the motor here. This is the ESC, and this is the motor. 7070 110 kV flip sky. So now basically this motor is operable, and I have this channel 3 to control it both ways. And here's the trick. Okay, so this channel is for controlling the servo here. As you can see, turns will turn the motor either right or left, and this channel is for controlling the claw right here. So for example, if I open it like this, you can see the claw is opening there, or it is now, I want it to be closed, so I close it. Okay. And here's the trick. I have one channel left, this one. This, I only have a 6-channel receiver here. Here's the receiver. So this one channel, this is a 3-position switch. I will control 2 MOSFETs. One is for turning on the video, like this. As you can see, the video now is on. The video camera is inside the plastic box. And then when I turn this further on, this one, I have a headlight on. And now I can turn it off, the headlight, and I can turn off the video. Again, video, headlight, headlight off, video off. All is done with this 3-position switch. It's SWC on the Fly Sky transmitter. And when I turn everything off, this is the power off to the system, nothing is working, as you can see here. And this switch I just used to control the system to turn it off. I mean the logic part of the system. So that's how it works. See, there's no reception signal now. Thank you.